Hello everybody! Today we're back with another YouTube video unboxing. There's a story that goes behind why I'm making this video. So this Christmas, my uncle, who is a huge Star Wars fan, who basically got me pretty much into Star Wars, he gifted me something. He gifted me something this year. And how do I explain this? So one day I was babysitting my cousin and I told him, I was like, we were on the topic of life-size Star Wars stuff, and I told him one day when I have my own house and I have like a guest room or like a guest bathroom and somebody comes over and they're like, hey, can I stay over? Hey, can I use the guest bathroom? I'm like, oh sure, it's over there. And they open the door and it's just like a life-size General Grievous. One day when I have my own house, I want to buy a gigantic life-size General Grievous and like put it in my guest room, so whenever people come over and they like want to stay over, they're just like a life-size General Grievous. Okay, the idea sounds better in my head. It's a good idea in my mind. Not only that, but I have a crippling fear of General Grievous. Although I am General Grievous, I have a crippling phobia of General Grievous. So, you know what my uncle did for Christmas? He bought me a General Grievous model, perfect to put on my dresser in my room before I go to sleep at night. So now that I have this, I can't sleep at night. General Grievous just reminds me of a spider, and I have a crippling phobia of spiders. So, thank you, George Lucas, for your incredible invention. I will admit, this is a really cool model, so I really did, as much as I want to leave it in the box and as much as I'm like really behind like leaving things in boxes and not taking them out of the boxes, like a lot of my Funko Pops, this one I really want to take out of the box and look at. I'm gonna be really careful opening it so I don't damage anything. To give some backstory, this is a die-cast action figure. It's exclusive to the Disney store, which isn't a thing anymore technically, like physically they don't have Disney stores anymore, but this was exclusive to the Disney store, and it is the Star Wars Elite series. They did a series of die-cast action figures, all metal. They're pretty cool models, and when he gave me this for Christmas, I was like, this is the coolest thing, but also like the most terrifying thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Although I am technically unboxing myself because I am General Grievous. What's really cool about this action figure is the fact that on the back, it gives all the information on who General Grievous is, information about the die-cast action figure. It's really cool, so I'll read it to you guys. In collaboration with Lucasfilm, Disney Store is proud to introduce the Star Wars Elite series, a premium line of die-cast action figures featuring iconic characters from the expansive world of Star Wars. This exclusive collection is meticulously engineered and crafted with Star Wars fans in mind. So this is a pretty accurate die-cast model of General Grievous. General Grievous was a brilliant separatist military strategist and a feared Jedi hunter. Now, I'm filming, I'm not trying to be dramatic, but it's currently 1 a.m. Where I live, and I'm scared that General Grievous is now going to hunt me down and take all of my lightsabers, so. But he was also quick to run from a fight, a tactic that worked until one final meeting with Obi-Wan Kenobi. Sick. Terrifying. And I'm excited to unbox them today. Let's get into it. I'm like actually nervous. Oh, this is sick, and he has a cape too? Okay, hold up. This is like tough, because it's like really together. This has never been taken out. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Okay, after like an hour of trying to get it all out, we officially have Grievous out of the box. Okay, YouTube video aside, I can't even look at him. Okay, let's look at the cool things first. Okay, so we have these miniature lightsabers. They are seriously adorable. We have Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber. This one right here is his third lightsaber. So it comes with 4 lightsabers for Grievous to hold. So it comes with 2 blue lightsabers and 2 green lightsabers. Let's put these aside. It comes with the stand. The stand is actually really cool. It says Star Wars on it. And we have Oh my god, I hate holding him, but he's actually really cool. He just reminds me of a spider. So we have Grievous right here. This is actually a really well-made model, not gonna lie. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. Okay, on this, there's one little spoke right here, which I believe we put his foot into, like this. I have heard some things about this action figure not being able to stand up correctly. Let's hope this isn't the case, and we can actually stand him up properly without him falling over or his arm falling off. It's like he's about to fall over. Give me a moment. Okay, this is good enough for now, but this is him. He is terrifying. Well detailed. He's mostly metal, and I believe the rest is like a resin type of material. It's a die-cast model, and it's super nice. I really like it. What's cool about this figure is it also comes with the cape. One thing that kind of stinks about this model is that it's very fragile. So like, even like this can make his arm fall off, which kind of stinks, but once I have him like properly set up, he won't be moving, so it won't fall off, you know? So here we have him. Okay, bruh, I'm gonna have to get a different stand for him because this is not working out. Okay, well, it's not standing up much, but eventually I'm gonna get a different stand for him and hopefully it'll set him up a little bit better. I like the detailing on it. It's really cool. I love the detailing on the cape too, but we gotta find a different stand for it because it's not, well, now it's standing up, but it's a little lopsided. It's a little lopsided. But let's get the lightsabers in his hands. They might not be in the right positions, but it's all good. His hands spin anyways. There you go. I've officially met my match. I finally met someone who has somewhat of a larger lightsaber collection than I do. Now that it's finally set up and like not falling over, I really like it. And it's really scary. It's kind of hard to see. No, but my review, I would give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason I don't give it a 10 out of 10 is that it keeps falling over when I try to put it up, but it is a really cool figure that I want to keep in my collection. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I would love to hear y'all's opinions on this, and I'd love to know, do you guys have this in your collection? If you don't, it's a pretty cool collectible item, especially because it was like a limited run of the die-cast figures. There's not a lot of them anymore. This one was retailed for $24.99, but now it runs for about a little over $100, but it's a really cool figure, and it's terrifying, but I like it. No, I don't. It's actually really scary. Shout out to my uncle for gifting me this. It was a really nice gift, but also like he knows that I'm genuinely terrified of General Grievous. Let's see if I can put the cape on without messing him up or making him fall over. Let me know what you think of this figure in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinions on it. The lightsabers, I love how they're see-through and they aren't like a straight color, you know what I mean? Translucent, so they look like real lightsabers. If you don't have this in your collection, let me know in the comments below one thing you have in your collection that is your favorite. I would love to hear about y'all's collections. I have a lot of you sending me your collections, like pictures of your collections on Instagram, and I love seeing those. So definitely send those my way if you happen to have any. Thank you for watching this video of me unboxing this General Grievous die-cast Star Wars action figure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the Force be with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.